Hi, this is the confirmation video for Mindy LPS. Yeah, here they are. Here are the accessories.
Then who's the man in the park?
I don't know his name.
Why were you there with him?
He took us
That's
from
the first accessory.
the water flood at our
Next
house.
accessory, I made it myself. I really do hope you like it. I really worked hard on it. So, and this, and this. I hope those are good enough. And you asked for a couple extras. Sorry, I'm not that very good with giving
Where are you staying?
extras. But this is what I could manage. This is an extra, and this is an extra. And you know what you could do? You could make a series like where, you know, the bad queen is. You could just take his head off, like that. And then, you know, they come with him, like, here's the body you wanted and stuff. So, that's what you can do.
He made her sleep in his bed.
And then, boom. Comes straight back on. And then here's the Cocker Spaniel. And I don't know what PM means, and I do need your cell phone number because I don't know what cell phone, I mean PM is, so it's the first one, and bam. Law and Order. It should say Law and Order. I'm just a little sad because something happened. Anyways, thank you for watching, and bye!